Welcome back guys, today we are going to make a jump scare animation, using the rig we've made along this series. And for my target is animating and recreating the Freddy jump scare from Five Nights at Freddy's 1. Now here is how my recreation looks like. It is not 100% accurate, and it isn't intended to be so, because we need just a jump scare animation to have in the end. In case you are asking how I got the office, I used the UFMP office. You can find it somewhere on the internet, or DeviantArt. Now, if you found this video and have no rig or animatronic, go check out the whole series, you can find it in this corner. First thing we will need to do, is delete already existing keyframes, and reset the size, position, or rotation of the character. As you can see, I have made another indifferent file from the one I had last video, because I don't want to lose this animation. Now that we are here, to do that, we need to drag and select the keyframes in the drop sheet, down here, and delete all keyframes. Make sure to also disable auto keying for now. After that, select every bone, by pressing A, in pose mode, then press left Ctrl plus G, left Ctrl plus R, left Ctrl plus S. Into this step, we will create a test dummy, that represents the player, and also the camera. This will help us animate the camera but also create advanced jump scares where, for example, the animatronic lifts the player, shakes him a bit, then bites his head or hits the player, and then it's game over. In my opinion, this can also help you in Unreal Engine. I used this method for one of my jump scares, and I can say it's great, but there is a lot more to learn for me in Unreal Engine since I don't have too much experience in it. Here we are creating the base of our character. Make sure you only move him forward, without moving him on the X-axis. After you are done, select your armature, enter edit mode, and press left shift plus A to add a new bone. It will be the second root, meant for your player, and put it below the torso. Make sure the root is not connected to the other root. In other words, make sure the parent bone is empty. When making new bones, make sure you have a torso, neck, and head. My bad, I made a small mistake. Let me remake the next section. If you've done it correctly, it should be moving like this inside pose mode. After that, select your two blocks, and the armature is last, then press Ctrl plus P and choose empty groups. Then go to data, enter edit mode and assign the vertex properly. I've spoken about this in the rigging tutorial video. Once again, if things are done correctly, it should be moving like this. For the final step, which is optional for Unreal Engine users, is to put the camera inside the head and parent it to the bone. Move the camera to the head's position, then have both the camera and armature selected, the armature being the last selected. Make sure you are in pose mode, then select the head bone, press Ctrl plus P and choose bone. Make sure the head block is not visible in scene or render. And this is how it looks like. We move the bone and the camera moves. Now it's time to bring Freddy to the spot we will begin animating. It's time to position him properly. Also, I don't know why I can see some textures while in solid mode. That's just how I downloaded the model, but anyways, I'm here only to show how to animate at the moment. I see that the textures get fixed in the render view, so that's alright. Now, here is my reference, and I will analyze it as I go through the animation. Basically, Freddy comes from off screen, so that's the first thing I will do. I will speed the animation up a bit. We gotta find the right position in which frame Freddy hits the camera perfectly, meaning that he must not go clipping through the camera, and remember, build your starting keyframe, the moment of impact and also the small jump scare movements. If your head won't move while pressing G and only rotate, go and edit, select the head and press Alt P, and press disconnect. To make a proper jump scare, make sure that his eyelids are fully open. To move, rotate, or scale independently, hold the dot key and drag towards individual origins. Make sure that your character is always staring into the camera. I've noticed that the original Freddy had some highlights, so I will add them too, but because of the model of the eye being made differently, I will make them manually and attaching them to the rig. I usually just make a new material and add it to it. Perfect, it looks really good like this. Now let's continue our animation. Also don't forget to speed it up at first, so your character has that explosive attacking into it, because not only the jump scare sound matters, but the animation as well. Mark the 2 points, like I showed here, and compare what has changed. I will leave only the torso's keyframe, where he comes up, and begin from that point. Don't make the same mistake as me here. I forgot to set a proper keyframe for his open jaw, so he would show up with his jaw closed. Never forget to set the proper keyframes. We will make his head move around, just like in the reference, but make sure he doesn't just stand still. Make his torso move as well, and other stuff such as the jaw, eyes, and ears too, so it becomes more alive. Here I made some more jump scare frames, not so important. It's just forward movement of the torso with open and closing jaw, along with head movement. This jump scare works great, but does it look so alive? It looks like those transparent jump scares, such as the jump scares from the Five Nights at Treasure Island. I will teach you how to make them as well at the end of the video. As you can see in this corner, we have many camera shakes, like shaking only on one axis, so that will be easy to remake. Now here is where the player rig comes into play. Move the camera along with the character. Here I did the opposite. He will swing his head to right, I'll make the camera go left, and he goes left, I go right. Also make sure to not exaggerate with the camera movement like I did. I had to repair that mistake, and that's why I had to speed this up. And here is my final product. I don't think it took more than 15 minutes to make a jump scare animation. And if I can do it, you probably can do it too. If you encounter problems, don't hesitate to ask me. I can try to help you with what you need. If you got a video idea in Blender, let me know. Go to the output and scroll down here. Make sure file format is set to PNG for now, then where you see the TMP, it represents the location where the frames will be exported, so make sure you have created a folder and set it there, so you can render those frames. I've already exported my frames. Also the office I used caused me to get a weird bug and the graphics modified a bit, but I'm sure this won't happen to you, since you might be using your own assets. After you are done setting things up, follow my cursor and press render animation. To mention this, it might take a while till stuff renders, so be careful not to make it crash. After you are done rendering, press the plus icon, then add a video editing tab. Here is where we will cook and export the jump scare as an MP4 video. Use the right click, then click image sequence, then select all of your rendered or exported frames. Make sure that you are in the right scene, and have the exact amount of frames as the animation, or bugs might happen. After that, go back to the output, change media type to video, go to encoding and change container to MPEG-4. And once again, click render animation and that will transform into a video. And we are done. We will find it next to the other frames. Also excuse my shitty media player, it doesn't play videos properly. The last thing I will teach you is how to make transparent background animations. So to do that, make sure you have no object in the background other than the character you animated, and the lighting. Next go to the render tab, scroll down to film and check transparent. And that's done. Now let's take a look. If your background looks like this, it means you've done it correctly, and also, all you have to do left is render the animation, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. If you support my content in this series, you could like and subscribe to also support me and help me out. See you in my next video.